Hello ladies and gentlemen, we are back. This is a very special video. As you can see, we got hit with a massive snowstorm last night. We got about 12 inches of snow here, and so we had to come dig out the car today. Anyways, we're heading out to get groceries right now, so I wanted to take the opportunity to intro this video and thank everybody for their support, and hopefully I don't get stuck right now. Fire sauce is a beast. We just drive right through the giant pile of snow. But yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys for all your support in 2020. It was a great year. Excited to bring you more content in 2021. It's gonna be a little bit different, I think, just because, you know, COVID's still a thing and we've had to adjust with everything because of that. We do have some trips planned this year. Otherwise, got the old thinking cap on as far as new content is concerned, but I have some great ideas coming, so just stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, you've been kind of sitting on the fence for a while, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Look forward to bringing future content to you. And if you have any ideas for future content, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Also, in regards to the comment section, please leave questions that you have for me in regards to my YouTube, my life, my faith, keto, whatever it might be. I'm going to be doing a burping contest Q&A once again. It's been just over a year since I did that, and so I'm going to bring a new burping contest video to everyone. So make sure you fill that comment section down below with all your questions, comments, concerns, whatever it might be. Let me know, and I will answer those in the upcoming burping contest Q&A. But for now, I want to introduce the upcoming video, the little montage of all of the memories that we made in 2020. And so I give you the 2020 year 2 in review. Wait, no, it's year 1. No, year 2.
No, it's year 2.
It's year 2. 2020 year 2 in review. Here we go.
Once upon a time I told my mom about a passion. I'm not going to college, I'ma be a white rapper. Thoughts become words and words become actions. 10 years later, a happily ever after. Everybody gotta go to school, get a job, buy a house, have a kid, get engaged, buy a car. We forgot about the dreams that are deep inside our hearts. Then we turn into our parents and then the cycle restarts. Does anyone remember how to dream? Does anyone remember what it means? Is everyone addicted to a screen? Anyone, anywhere, or is everyone everywhere? Okie dokie with living in the machine. Does anyone remember what it's like? Does anyone remember how to fight? Will everybody really be alright? Anyone, anywhere, or is everyone everywhere only dreaming when they fall asleep at night? We forgot who we were before the school and work, before we learned that life hurt so bad. Now we're expecting the worst at every corner we turn. I wonder when will we learn to go back? We all have dreams that no one believes in. Make me feel bad, I'll knock your teeth in. We all have dreams, real big dreams, big dreams. Don't be sleeping, cause you won't see who you could be. Go!
Get down to the B side. to the baseline.
I'm serious. I will knock you out.
But I love you.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. 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 It's all about humanity.
This is the future. Human error. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
He came in and he saved my soul. Young, wild, and we living it up. Get up, come on, everybody, let's go. Young, wild, and we living it up. He came in and he saved my soul. Young, wild, and we living it up. Get up, come on, everybody, let's go. Young, wild, and living. Glory gang is winning. Grateful for the privilege. Go out and be the difference. We don't have to tell them. They know we the Christians. Go out and make a mark till the earth stops spinning. And it's good to be home, but I'm ready to hit the road. What's a song with no message? It has to impact a soul. Holding on, let it go. He'll fill you head to your toes. And I don't mean to be rude, but I gotta yell, let you know. Tell the world. Young, wild, and we living it up. He came in and he saved my soul. Young, wild, and we living it up. Get up, come on, everybody, let's go. Young, wild, and we living it up. He came in and he saved my soul. Young, wild, and we living it up. Get up, come on, everybody, let's go. To the sea, from the west to the east, by the power of the spirit manifested in me. It's too good to be true. Why's it hard to believe in a God that's so good? Breathe his life into me. Sipping coffee on the plane, flight attendant checking names. I'ma hit you when I land, get my luggage at the claims. Life is changing just a bit now that people know my name. Pushing closer to God, how I'm adjusting to fame. Young, wild, and we living it up. He came in and he saved my soul.